Hey there, beautiful one. I just want you to just take a moment to pause. This short meditation is all about grounding, getting centered, and reconnecting to you. It's perfect if you're feeling this sense of anxiety, if you're feeling a little uncomfortable in this moment, if there is fear rushing through you. So just pause, close your eyes, or just simply cast them down. You can also gaze at a point out in front of you. And I want you to just start to breathe gently, sweetly, in and out of your nose. So come on and join me. Breathe in. Let that air sip in and then exhale slowly. We'll take a few more of those together. Breathing in. Exhale. I'm with you. Breathe in. And exhale. Now continue to allow the breath to flow in and out of your nose. And each time that breath travels in, imagine it being this beautiful, calming, steady force moving through you. And each time you exhale, you are letting go of those things that are not supporting your highest good. You breathe in, that nourishing breath travels into your heart, calms your belly, soothes your mind. And as you exhale, know that you are supported in this moment. So allow the earth to hold you and cradle you. You breathe in and you breathe out, knowing that you are anchored in the present. You are safe in this moment. Simply allow those shoulders to relax, the jaw muscles to soften, and just take a few more breaths with me. Now, take another deep breath in. Exhale slowly. And whenever you're ready, start to blink your eyes open and thank yourself for showing up in this moment for you. Take care. Ciao.